Hey everyone, want to know how to import and export files in Excalidraw, whether you are bringing in images or saving your work for later? Excalidraw makes file handling smooth and easy. Let me show you how. First of all, go ahead and open up the official website of Excalidraw. If you want to import images, go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom right here. And then what you're going to do, you're going to click open, and then you're going to be able to export as an image or upload from file. So I'm gonna click right here, choose file, right? And I'm gonna add the file right here. Now as you can see, you will see that I added my new file. Click the three bars at the bottom left, open, load from file, choose file, then you're gonna be able to choose that same exact file. All right. Next, what you're gonna do, if you want to basically export files from Excalidraw, you can click the three bars at the bottom left, and you can export as an image or save to. And that way you can save the drawing or sketch as a file, so you can open the project to continue later, or you can save it as an image by clicking the three bars at the bottom left and then click export image. And as we said before, you can download it as PNG or SFG, right? And or you can copy to clipboard and paste it in another Excalidraw project, and basically you're gonna be able to share it with other people through social media like normal photo. All right, and basically that's it. Importing and exporting files in Excalidraw is a breeze, whether you are adding images or saving your work in multiple formats. Ready to try it out? Let me know if you run into any issues or have cool ideas for Excalidraw. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.